Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is V, and in today's simple everyday eyeshadow look, well, let's change that to in today's daily makeup look. I am going to use the 13th color out of the BH Cosmetics Aurora Lights palette, and it is a pink, and this is what it looks like. I am hoping that it will show how pretty it is. It's a beautiful pink, so I'm going to use that. This is my daily makeup. Every day I do a different eye. My daily makeup. So we are going to start, except I needed to be prepared. Okay. We have a nice mirror in here too, so maybe I can use that. We are ready. This color I am putting down is a base color. And this color is going in my crease and above my crease because I have hooded eyes. Oh, if you hear that, that's just a motorcycle. And it's not even that close, but I guess it's very loud. Thirteen is called Magical. It is a pretty pink. I hope you can see how gorgeous it is. Now it's going on my eyeballs. And as usual, those colors, shimmer colors, I like to use my fingers. This is what it looks like. Can you see? Pretty. Okay. The color is so pretty in person. I am telling you, this is gorgeous. If you like pink, this pink is a must-have. love this. I love this. Sad that my mirror don't come too close because I need to finish this look. I don't want to put my mirror in the way. It is beautiful, beautiful indeed. I'm just deepening up my crease right now. And I am here with the finished look of my daily eyeshadow makeup look. 13th color, which is the pink, and it is called Magical. I used the Charlotte Tilbury setting powder. I use Mented foundation stick. Everything else I have used. This is it. Please like, please share this video with a friend. Please subscribe if you like my content. Please comment. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. Self is important. And I will see you in another daily eyeshadow makeup look. This is my daily. I will talk to you soon. Love yourself plenty. Take care of yourself. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. I love you.